First in our list is comb, pronounced comb. A comb is a tool used for grooming hair. It can also mean to search thoroughly. I comb my hair in the morning before I go to work so that it looks tidy. I comb through the documents to find the necessary information. Next is the word lamb, pronounced lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep. The lambs played happily in the meadow. Aplomb, pronounced aplomb. It describes self-confidence, assurance, and composure. Despite the chaos around her, she handled the situation with remarkable aplomb. Doubt, pronounced doubt. It means uncertainty or lack of conviction. I had serious doubts about becoming an astronaut, but did it anyway. Debt, pronounced debt. It refers to something, typically money, that is owed or due. She managed to pay off all her debts. Thumb, pronounced thumb, the short, thick first digit of the human hand. He gave a thumbs up to show his approval. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.